Alright, this is semicolon and colon homework number 2, activity number 2. We're going to correct the errors of the use of semicolons and colons in this one. Here are 2 ways conductors on the Underground Railroad hid messages. Here there's a semicolon here. That needs to be a colon, so cross that out and put a colon right there instead to introduce the quotes, or to introduce the list in songs and in quilts. The drinking gourd, for example, sounded like a folk song. However, it was a map to freedom. This is a run-on sentence. This comma is not strong enough to separate those 2 sentences. It needs to be changed to a semicolon. The gourd was actually the constellation known as the Big Dipper. It points to the North Star. Here, another run-on, separated with a comma, so change that comma to a semicolon. The lyrics of the song told slaves how to head north to the free states. You don't need a semicolon there because it's not separating 2 sentences, so it can just be removed. The quilts were signal flags. Travelers would see them and know where to go. Another run-on sentence, change that comma to a semicolon to fix it. The following quilt designs carried directions. The bear's paw, which told people to follow bear tracks to the mountains. The crossroads, which said to head to Cleveland, Ohio. And the flying geese, which said to follow geese to water. Lots of mistakes in this sentence. The first is, the following quilt designs carry directions. This semicolon needs to become a colon to introduce the list. Then I have a list that has commas within it. So, the bear's paw, comma, which told people to follow bear tracks to the mountains. I need to change this to a semicolon to let me know that all of that goes together. The crossroads, comma, which said to head to Cleveland, Ohio, semicolon. And the flying geese, comma, not a semicolon, so get rid of that semicolon, which said to follow geese to water, period. Unlike real trains, which might leave at a specific time, say 7:30 p.m., here we have time. We use a colon between the hour and the minute to express time. The Freedom trains left any time after dark. We need to get rid of this colon because we never put a colon after verb, and left is a verb. After you've checked your work, at the bottom of your paper, please write how many you missed, and write if you do or do not understand this activity. That will give me good feedback when I'm checking your work.